students, today we are going to learn a chapter expansion formulae. Chapter name is expansion formulae. Last year you studied some basic expansion formulas like a plus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another formula you learn a minus b whole bracket square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third formula I learned last year was a plus b into bracket a minus b, which will gives you result a square minus b square. This year, before learning new formulas, we will apply this formula and solve some basic example. Like we want to find square of 101. So solution is like this. Solution. What is solution? 100 plus 1 whole bracket square. Here, which formula you should apply? You should apply a plus b square formula. So we will write the formula we will use. A plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we will get solution like this. 100 square 101 square is equal to 100 square plus 2 into bracket 100 into 1 plus 1 square, which is equal to 10,000 plus 200 plus 1, which is equal to 10,201. This way we can solve exercise 5.1, which is basic revision. So now let us see expansion of x plus a in the bracket and in another bracket x plus b. So what we will get if we solve expansion of x plus a into x plus b? So here we see x plus a into x plus b is equal to x into, in one bracket, x plus b, in another bracket, a into x plus b, which gives x square plus bx plus ax plus b square plus ab, which is equal to x square plus, in the bracket, a plus b, outside of the bracket, x plus ab. With the help of this formula, we can solve a simple example. Let us see one example. Example number 1. First example is x plus 2 into x plus 3. So we are going to find the solution of this problem. So what we will do? So let us see. First term square. Here we will use this formula. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x a plus b into x plus ab. So here first term x square plus, in bracket, a plus b means 2 plus 3 into x plus ab means 2 into 3, which is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. With the help of this formula, we can solve problem set 5.1. Now we are going to learn about new formula, expansion of a plus b cube. So what is expansion of a plus b cube? We'll see expansion of a plus b cube. So here we will see a plus b cube is equal to a plus b into bracket a plus b 3 times. We will write a plus b 3 times. So we are a plus b in one bracket and we solve a plus b 2 times. So we will write directly a plus b whole bracket square and we will get solution like this. A plus b in the one bracket, in another bracket. If we use the formula, we'll get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if we solve this, we'll get first term a into bracket a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square 2ab plus b square. Will get like this: a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square plus a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube. If we solve this, 2a square b plus a square b will become 3a square b, ab square plus 2ab square b, ab square b will become 3ab square. So this way we will write a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And now we write down the formula. So formula, what do we get? Formula here: a plus b whole bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now with the help of this formula, let us see one example. Example number 1. So here k plus 4 cube, we are going to find out k plus 4 cube is equal to how much? So solution. What is the solution? What is the solution of this problem? See, first we will write k plus 4 cube is equal to first term square k cube plus 3 into k square into 4 plus 3 into k into 4 square plus 4 cube. So we'll get solution like this: k cube plus 3 into 4 12k square plus 4 square is 16 into 3 is 48k plus 4 cube is 64. And this, with the help of this formula, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. With the help of this formula, we can solve exercise 5.2. Now let us see expansion of a minus b cube. Let us see expansion of a minus b cube. So here we will get a minus b cube. We'll write a minus b 3 times like this: a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. And on the next line we'll get a minus b into the a minus b whole square. So with the help of basic formula, we'll find out a minus b square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now if we solve this, like a into the bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square, we will get a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus a square b plus 2ab square minus b cube. Here we will get a cube minus 2a square b plus minus a square b will give minus 3a square b plus ab square plus 2ab square will give us plus 3ab square minus b cube. This way we will get the formula like this. We will write in the bracket the formula what we get. The formula we get is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. With the help of this formula, now let us solve a simple example, 99 cube. How to find out 99 cube? Let us see. 100 minus 1 cube. 99 means 100 minus 1, the whole bracket cube, which is equal to first 100 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So if we solve this, we'll get 100 cube is 100 and this will get 3 into 100 square will get like this plus 300 minus 1, and we solve this, we'll get solution like 9,70,299 as the answer of this problem. So with the help of this formula we can solve the remaining problems given in our book. So now let us see the next formula of expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. So we are going to see expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. So what is the formula of expansion of a plus b plus c whole square? The formula is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to first term square a square, second term square b square, third term square c square plus 2 into first term a into second term b plus 2 into second term b and third term c plus 2 into first term a and last term third term c. This way, with the help of this formula, we can solve various examples given in our book. So let us see some simple example like this: p plus q plus 3, the whole bracket square we want to find out. So with the help of this formula, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac will get p square plus q square plus 3 square plus 2 into p into q plus 2 into p into q into 3 plus 2 into p into 3. So we'll get solution like this: p square plus q square plus 9 plus 2pq plus 6q plus 6p. If we arrange this, we'll get p square plus q square plus 2pq plus 6q plus 6p plus 9 as the solution of this problem. Now let us revise what we studied today. We study some basic formulae in expansion formulas. The expansion basic formulae that we learn, I will shortly write down all the formulas one by one. You can by heart them and you can use them, try in solving the problems given in chapter expansion formulae. So basic formulae are like this. First we learn a plus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one we learn a minus b whole bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, we know plus b, one bracket, in another bracket a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Fourth formula what we learned today is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in the bracket a plus b into x plus ab. The next formula we learn is a plus b cube is a plus b cube. So a plus b cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Sixth formula we learn is a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And last formula we learn, seventh formula, a plus b plus c whole bracket square is equal to first term a square, second term b square plus third term c square plus 2 into first term second term plus 2 into second term third term plus 2 into first term third term. This way all these 7 formulas will help us to solve the given questions of problem set 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 and 5.4. So try to solve. Thank you.